All right, Nehas, how are you doing?
I'm good, I'm good.
So, tell us a little bit about yourself.
My name is Nihas. I was born and brought up in Dubai. I did my education there, my bachelor's in Cochin, and then I did my master's in Bangalore, Christ. And then I have almost 4.5 years of experience working in Dubai. Then I came down from Dubai just to take this course, and then let's see how it goes from here.
So, what made you to take this course?
Well, I have a marketing background. I was also working in a marketing company, so I wanted to add something more to my my what do you call it to my resume, as well as on the educational front. So definitely, when I was actually doing research, I came to know that digital marketing is the thing which is going to boom up. It's already there, but it's not to its fullest till yet, because there are only bits and pieces of companies or bits and pieces of industries which are currently using digital marketing. But after joining the course, I feel it is the next big thing which is going to boom the industry in the upcoming years.
What do you think is the future of digital marketing in India?
Digital marketing in India right now, maybe you could tell it is actually in an infant stage, because you have only a few companies, who are actually in e-commerce, who are doing the digital marketing. So, but let me make it correct that it's not every company will have to do, because digital marketing is about your visibility in the digital world. Right now, you know how iPhone has actually the introduction of iPhones, and the new medium which has influenced us. In the same way, now everybody is actually looking digital. Even if you're looking out for an opinion, it used to be peer. You used to have a peer. It used to be from your peer influence, but
Sure.
Right now it's more into a digital. People are actually googling it, irrespective of what the product is or what industry or etc. Anything, people are actually googling it and trying to find out. So it's actually a must for almost all the people to have themselves be visible in the digital world.
Sure.
So hence I feel that digital marketing is the next big thing in the upcoming years, which is going to happen. And even studies also have proved it.
Correct.
It's not right.
So, how was your mindset after and before taking the course?
Okay, before digital marketing, I thought it was actually a very simple thing. It was just an extension of marketing. But after joining the course, it's a vast ocean, like how Suresh says. It's a vast ocean indeed. Because each and everything has to be, if you're going in depth, you can't finish studying it.
Correct.
Honestly, you can't finish studying, because the technology keeps changing. So you have to be always updated. And it's not easy to be good at everything. You have to either focus on one or two things and then try to focus it, because like I said, the technology keeps changing. It's not easy to go and do digital marketing, SEO, email marketing, word ads, etc. Everything is actually an ocean by itself. You will have to see which one you are good at and then try concentrating on one or two, because it's not at all going to be easy to concentrate on everything.
Correct.
Because like I said, the technology keeps changing, different trends come in, different softwares come in, so you have to keep yourself updated, and if you're too good, you can go with it.
So I remember you telling me, I thought digital marketing is about just website, right?
Yes. That was a big wrong intuition which I had, because initially I did have a couple of friends who were actually studying it. Even I had a feedback from them. They also had given me a very good idea. But still, it was a vague idea until I came and started doing the course. Digital marketing is not about website. Maybe website is just maybe 5 or 6% or 10% of what you're exactly going to do. Because digital marketing is all about being your visibility. It's not just websites, because people hardly refer to websites these days. They try to go into different forms, be it social media, or else like the YouTube, which is actually an global the other form of SEO, etc. So you have to be visible, and you have to make sure that you are in a positive side of the visibility.
Correct. So what is that one thing that you would say is important for digital marketing? according to you?
Important for digital marketing, there are different aspects to it. If you're planning to do something on an immediate thing, then you'll have to concentrate on the PPC side, or else if you're a company which you have already a brand image, then you will have to go into the SEO side, because you already have a brand image, and then you can build on the rapport of it. So that's the most important key. And then depending upon your industry and the the company which you are in, it depends what do you want, or what exactly is your agenda, your goal, your KPIs, etc. And then you will have to go accordingly, which is actually apt for you.
Sure. So how confident are you after the course?
I am confident, and now I'm actually doing my project as well. So once that comes over, I think I'll be able to do, because studying, digital marketing again, it's almost like maths. When you study, it's very easy, but when you start doing it, that's when you come to know a lot of hindrances. So it's always nice to do, it's always nice to have an hands-on experience when what you're doing it. So I feel that the course which is happening over here is pretty good, because they do not do it like you study first and then the project. You are actually going on a parallel basis between your project as well as what you're studying. So it's always nice to go in a parallel thing, because it's a vast ocean. You have to do, and in a short span of time, you have to do a lot of things what you're studying. So you will have to keep yourself engaged into the program to get maximum benefit.
Sure. What suggestions, or what are the things that you would like to say for people who want to take up this course or who want to get into digital?
Okay, see, there are different courses which are available, but then if you want to do something serious, and then if you want to get the best, I think this would be a very good place to join, because it's not just what you're studying, it's actually, you don't feel that you're studying here. It's more of a discussion, because we never had a studying session as such. In the past 1.5 months, I felt only the first class was more of a studying expression experience. The rest all was not studying, it was more of an interaction. So you get to, the things what you learn is actually there in your mind rather than studying. It's not a book, it's not that you have to read a lot, you have to go through a lot of videos, you have to go through a lot of blogs, etc. So it's not studying, it's actually an experience itself. So I think what Suresh has done here is pretty good. I think again, he's actually even growing on the facts. So I think it's going to be better as years go by. I think it is a very good experience to be here.
Good. No, that's a good word. Nice to hear. It's an experience. That's a strong word, and it is. What tip do you have for our people who are watching this video?
Okay, I am still an amateur in digital marketing, but still, as a tip wise, I think it's about your attitude, and it's about where you want to be. So again, it can vary from people to people. So if you have anything in particular, you could concentrate before joining the course. You can concentrate what exactly do you want. Make sure what you have set your agenda and on top of it, and then you should join the course. It's not a thing where you just come and learn and then you just go off. It's not. It's a continuous process. This thing keeps, like I said, since the technology and everything keeps changing. So what I've learned is not what you will be learning in the next 6 months, because, like I said, the technology, the trend, all things keep changing. So it's again up to your up to an individual's mindset to do what exactly he wants and to achieve what he wants.
Good. So thanks, Nihas, and congrats. It is going to, as I said, it's going to change the way you think, and it is going to completely, be different from what you're doing right now. And we like to see you succeed and grow in the next, throughout your career. As I told to Shannon, you're stuck with us, for the rest of your life. So yeah, anytime, you'll have to come in and talk to us and clarify. And again, it's an update. It's like you have to upgrade every single time. So it's not like what you finish off the course. This is just a beginning.
It's not the end. It's just the beginning.
Yeah.
What you have here other is actually you're just entering into the world. Rest
Right.
is up to you where you want to be. And then Suresh, what he does is actually, it's almost like the movie Matrix in which they say he can only show the way. It's up to you to walk through it.
Right.
So this is actually it's a huge world. Like
Correct.
I said, you take SEO, PPC, all these things are actually huge. It's enormously huge, and the amount of websites which each thing has itself will make
Right.
you go bonkers. So it is huge, but then again, it's up to your mindset where you want to actually be focused on. And once you have that mindset, then it's going to be an easy transition.
Good. Thank you so much.
Thank
It's
you.
pleasure
Thanks.
interacting with
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.